Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni watu la muti serikali ya President William Ruto kwa kwema kwithukisia wasiaka na mawoni ma mwenendi na valawombula kana nimeuliana na mia ila ikwendekethia ya kulunga makanisa. Kalonzo ingi ni watu la muti andola methitwe maitumiwa ni amwe mateti kundua nduthi na kuvalania mbumbano syake uteti Meshak Nzei na mauvo.
Aina na kavinani kauthaithi kanisani wa Jesus tambana kwa kiliono mbwingi cha Starehe. Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni wakuli serikali kwithwa ima kwenye nthi maunduni. Aiweta mota bulimo sa utongoi makaikiria kana ni makonia mwene nthi kila unduni ingi ayumbulekana kila mwene nthi ena haki ya kuthaitha na kanisa niwele kone wayanya na ndaya utondola wandikite tamwiya wakatibani ka Kenya.
The principle of public participation is a constitutional principle. So if they want to mess up with the church, they must first of all pretend they are doing public participation. And they are using the excuse of Shakahola. Now they are using the Shakahola excuse to regulate the entire church. I looked at the draft bill. They are a little shy about taxing, tithing. Yeah, but anything the church tries to do will be subject to taxation. Well, I want to announce here that because I'm here members of Wiper Patriotic Front, and allow me to say this in church, we will and we object to regulation of the church. The freedom of worship, Remember, some of these friends were opposed to this constitution, but we went ahead and got Constitution 2010, which now guarantees the freedom of worship. So you cannot attempt to limit that freedom.
Kalonzo Nwomani ya mituwa ya mangendile, ala methitwe maibithukia na kuvalania mikutano ya ateti. Aiweta kana mausa mavolisi ni methitwe maikwata mbau makundi a.
Sometimes the hired goons come around. Pray against the spirit of goonism. It is not good. Because these days goons take the role of the police. Or sometimes the goons are escorted by the police. Total chaos.
Kalonzo ingi ni watu la muti serikali ayikuulia kwa wati kulikilila na kuhungamia uombo wangi wa nyumba kisio ni cha maringo 4 vala serikali ikwikwati wakwaka nyumba siadho wa munini aiweta kana aingi maenende metiwa matena mawikalo aiweta kana kila mwenendi ena haki ya kwithwa na vandu va kwikala.
Maringo ine in the neighborhood, Bishop, as you have said. Well, I need to get a fuller brief, but the issue is this so-called affordable housing coming with such pain. I give you that challenge. Look at what is possible. If need be, get legal action to stop. We know this Ruto administration does not even honor court orders. But they will get to order. They will get to honor them going forward. Let us go to them. Put everything on record so that even if they come and make people homeless, we have a list that will be compensated in law. But before that happens, stop them. You know, you don't want to demolish and make people homeless. By the way, is an Article 43 right.
Kalonzo ingeni watu mapolesi yake kwa misi ila inakunikie. Itina wambanga ya mwaki wafuata nyayo.
We've all been going through some challenges, but we thank God. And so, while we are doing that, the rest of us are going through tremendous challenges. Fuata nyayo in the neighborhood, the bad fire. How many does any of you know about that Fuata nyayo fire tragedy? Unawajua sini majirani zenu sio? Tawapa pole, all will be well. Maybe one of these days we can arrange and just come and visit them quietly.
Vilingi wa mauvo Mutongoi TV. Ni Meshak Nzei wa David.